If you're looking for ways on starting to have your own income, this video is for you. Hi. Over the years of providing for myself, I have come across effective ways to make money. And here are the top 5 ways that I would make money. First, there are investments. So I do tend to profit off the investments. I've made a few videos already, 2 actually, on investments that I have so far, a playlist of which is linked in the description below. Over time also, I'm going to start making a video that sort of kind of like unfolds and gives an overview of my portfolio. So you can go ahead and take my strategies or what I do, see whatever resonates with you, and if it helps, that's great. Investments definitely aren't one of those get-rich-quick kind of things. By the way, there are different kinds of investments that could suit different kinds of budgets, and you can start investing for as low as 50 pesos per month through platforms like GCash's GInvest. Or for those who are more risk-averse, there are government-backed investments such as the Pag-ibig MP2 that are not volatile, the way that stocks tend to be, and crypto. And for those that are just completely, as in totally risk-averse and wouldn't want to start investing yet, there are high-yield savings accounts that are available. So all you need to do is just deposit your money in a bank as you usually would do, and that would start earning income in itself. I've made a video already of what high-yielding savings account I like to use, and I've also made a video on my Pag-ibig MP2 strategy. I'll be linking those both down below in the description if you're interested to check it out. Second way that I made money, and which is also the way that a lot of people like to do it, is through regular employment. I mean, at least you get a stable income every single month, or you should get stable income every single month. And then the third way that I make money is through online freelancing. So you have sort of kind of like these side gigs, right? Online freelancing is particularly useful too if you're trying to find a way to supplement your primary source of income, whether that's through your regular employment or whatnot. But if you find that your budget just isn't really enough per month, then the online world can be a pretty lucrative world. There are different freelancing websites. There's Upwork, Fiverr, and so on. Feel it out, see what works best for you. But the thing about this is, because it is an online agreement and you don't really have like a governing or presiding body that's going to mediate these kind of things, there are times that you're going to work and people won't pay you, but there are also times when you do work and you definitely get paid more than any regular company is willing to pay for the services that you offer. So again, there's pros and cons to everything. It wouldn't hurt to check it out. The fourth way that I have made money over the years is through online selling. So this doesn't just span to selling things like old clothes or things I wouldn't use anymore, but also you could sell food, your baked goods. I used to buy and sell, like I would buy flash drives in bulk and I would sell those. I made pretty good income. I also would make my own like my little products. This perfume thing. It smells good. Artworks could also be sold. I've never sold mine, although I would really like to have my own little art shop. And then the fifth way is doing odd jobs. I think it's helpful to be open to even the most unlikely tasks. Like for example, if you get asked to buy something in the market and then you go do it and you're allowed to keep change. I know it's a small thing, but if you keep doing those kind of little odd jobs, it does add up. Things like offering to walk your neighbor's dogs, offering to clean your neighbor's house, doing things like that. It definitely does help. I personally like to believe that there really isn't any shortage when it comes to income or when it comes to the capability of making income. It's really down to your discarte. How do you say that in English? I guess it's just down to your strategies in life and the way that you view things and manage and navigate your way. Curiously, for others out there who also have different sources of income or different ways of making money, What are those ways? There is an abundance of money out there, and all you have to do is claim it. The rest will follow. At least that's how it worked for me. I hope you found this video insightful, and if you did, feel free to like and share it. Till next time.